Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of exporting video messages from your private groups on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've ever wanted to save your group's video content directly to your computer, this method is simple and effective. So let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, which open the main menu. Go ahead and click on those lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings, and then head into the section labeled Advanced. This section is where all of Telegram's detailed features and tools are located. Now scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the feature we'll be using to save content from your private groups. Once you click on it, you'll see a variety of checkboxes that let you choose exactly what information you'd like to export. For this process, make sure you check only the option for private groups. After that, scroll further down until you see the choice for video messages. Select it, and then click on the Export button to begin the process. At this point, Telegram will take a little time, depending on how much data there is to export. Once the export has finished, you'll see a button labeled Show My Data. Click on that, and your saved content will open up in a new window or folder on your computer. Inside, you will find your private group's video messages stored neatly and ready for use. This makes it extremely convenient to keep a local copy of important or memorable conversations and videos without relying only on the app itself. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported video messages from your private Telegram groups on PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to back up the media that matters most to you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try out the steps yourself and keep your favorite video memories safe. Thanks for watching.